Yes. Good morning, children. Yesterday we have completed 3 bits from English lesson, right? Second class. 3 bits complete करे ना English revision में. First bit meanings. Second bit add ed to the verbs. Third bit 5 seasons के names. 3 bits complete हुए ना? So still more 3 bits are there. Today we will be completing the English revision. ఓకేనా నిన్నట్లాగా నీట్ గా రాసుకోండి టేక్ అవుట్ ఎ న్యూ पेज इन योर क्लास वर्क 3 बिट्स कंप्लीट ईच बिट वन पेज में लिखना चिल्ड्रन ईच बिट इन 1 पेज अब न्यू पेज निकालो राइट डाउन टुडेस डेट 1/4/21 दैट इज 1st April फूल्स डे కదా చేశారా అందరూ ఫూల్స్ రైట్ ఇట్ డౌన్ take out your class work and write it down today's date 1/4/21 okay and in the first line put fourth bit write missing letters न्यू पेज में फर्स्ट बिट बोल के डालो न्यू पेज में डेट डालो 1st April बोल के और फर्स्ट लाइन में 4th बिट बोल के डाल के लिखो राइट मिसिंग लेटर्स ओके सी फर्स्ट वन RAIN 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 second one water 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 month 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 spring 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 summer summer these are the 5 missing letters ये 5 missing letters write neatly leaving a line in your class work पढ़ते हुए लिखना ओके पढ़ते हुए लिखना देखो rain 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 water 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 month 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 spring spring summer summer okay write it down neatly in your classwork children okay finish the 4th bit children I'm wrapping up take out next page new page निकालो turn the page new page put 5th bit in new page write months names आते ना months के names तुम लोगों को आते write down January 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 January, February, 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 March, 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 April, April, May, May, June, June, June. देखो मैं प्लेस नहीं है इसीलिए साइड बाय लिख रहा है. You write all the 12 months in one line only. Okay? July, July, July. August, August, August. September, September, September. October, October, October. November, November. November. December, December. Okay? See children, January, January, January. February, February, February. March, March. April, April. May, May. June, June. July, July. August, August. September, September. October, October. November, November. December, December. Okay children? Write all the 12 months names neatly without any mistakes in your classwork और पढ़ना हो. Okay? लिखना और पढ़ना भी. Write all the 12 names in one line. See, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. I'll just give you write months names. तुम लोग ये पूरे months के names लिखना. Okay? After this, only last bit is there, that is question and answers. Write it down neatly. I'll give you question and answers. Okay, children? I'm wrapping up. Write down 6th beat. Take out a new page. Write down 6th beat. Question and answers. Question and answers. When do stars fall and shoot? When do stars fall and shoot? Stars fall and shoot in Write it down. When do stars fall and shoot? Answer. Stars fall and shoot in November. See, stars fall and shoot. पूरा क्वेश्चन नहीं है. Only you have to write is in November. नवंबर मंथ्स पढ़ लिए तो नवंबर भी आ जाता आपको स्पेलिंग. आंसर आ गया. स्टार्स फॉल एंड शूट इन नवंबर. ओके. नेक्स्ट सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. हाउ डिड सूर्या एंड नेहा go to school. How did Surya and Neha go to school? Answer. Write it down, children. Write it down. Answer. Surya and Neha walked to school. Surya and Neha walked to school. Okay? These are the two questions for you children. After this, your revision is completed. English revision is completed. Okay? In the next class, I will give you Hindi revision. Hindi revision half लिखे ना? नहीं लिखे कुछ भी नहीं. I will give you Hindi revision on Saturday. Okay? Now, for today, you complete English revision. When do stars fall and shoot? Stars fall and shoot in November. Stars fall and shoot in November. How did Surya and Neha go to school? How did Surya and Neha go to school? Surya and Neha walked to school. Surya and Neha walked to school. Okay children? So we have completed all the 6 bits. Meanings. First bit meanings. Second bit add ed words. Third bit seasons names. Fourth bit missing letters. Fifth bit month's name. And sixth bit question answers. With this all the 6 bits are completed to you. Write the full revision neatly and read it for the exam children. Okay? Thank you.